Hey, it's Dave rather than a hot one today, but it wasn't horribly steamy. The humidity not so bad. We made it up to 92 in Detroit, hit 90 in a lot of spots, including Adrian, Monroe, Ann Arbor, Pontiac, Lapeer, Mount Clemens, and Windsor as well. Now we're going to kick it down a few degrees. Not much, but a few degrees the next few days because there's a cold front approaching tonight. A couple extra clouds down to 70 for a low, slight chance for a shower overnight, and then only a slight chance during the morning on Tuesday. Sun comes back out in the afternoon. But that takes us to 85, 84, 86, mid-80s Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Starting to get a little warmer, a little steamier eventually as we go throughout the weekend. On Sunday, 91 will feel like 95. That'll be the stickiest day of the week. There's a very slight chance for a shower Tuesday in the morning. Saturday, there could be leftover shower from some action, perhaps Friday night as well. So not a lot going on this week, just some nice summertime weather. Get out and enjoy it.